Hi guys, today we are going to be opening what's that word?
Purrrccino.
Ooh.
Purrrccino.
Let's open it.
Is this your toy review? Okay.
Like that toy review I done a long time ago. Remember that one? What was that one?
I don't remember.
I dyed my hair purple.
It's washing out now.
Yeah.
I need to do it again, huh?
School's about to start.
Are you excited about school starting?
Because I can see all my friends.
Are you? Okay, we're back. I had to get scissors.
Yeah. It's finally open.
Alright. There's what it looks like out of the package.
How's that little cat? I like the cat.
Uh-oh, you about did it. It's got little sprinkles inside.
And the slime.
Careful.
Take the plastic off. Okay. Ooh.
Smells good.
Really?
Smell it.
Ooh. What does it smell like to you? It smells like blueberries to me.
Yeah. Blueberries. Oh, you gotta take it. See what's in it. Let me see the blue. Ooh, look at the blue.
Okay, since we took the blue out, now it's time to take this out somehow.
Another one?
I don't know if that
There
one's
we go.
slime. Is that slime?
Yeah.
Really? I think you're supposed to mix them together.
Oh, you can. See what's in that.
Ooh. Ooh, this one ain't as sticky as that one.
Is there something in that? There's nothing in that?
I don't know.
Well, I thought there was something in it. Well, evidently not. So, you can mix them.
It's
She's
kind
got
of
two different
sticky.
colors. She's got sprinkles to put in it.
Guacamole.
That one.
No, I didn't.
There. Wooded. Let me
There
help
we
you.
go.
There. Okay. Ew. You want to put your sprinkles in it?
Jiggly. I want to mix them.
Okay. Do you want to put these in it? Get it ready to put these in there.
Okay. Let me just.
Oh, that's pretty colors. That's mermaid colors. Show them.
I've seen YouTube videos about the mixing colors and just doing a swirl. It's pretty to me.
Put your hole in it. Let's pour the sprinkles in it. They smell good.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh. There. I can't really poke a hole
You
in
want
it.
all of them in
Can
there
I?
or just
Can
a
I put
few?
it in?
Well, yeah, you can do it.
I'm just gonna spread it. Ooh. I want all of them in.
Okay. Don't spill them. I thought there was a surprise supposed to be in it. Well, listen now. Ooh.
Wait,
That's
Mom.
pretty.
Can you look?
Look.
Do this. It feels good.
Look. Don't get them all over.
Let me do a swirl.
It's supposed to be like a cappuccino, I think. Yeah, catachino instead of cappuccino.
I mean, like, just. This is really pretty.
We'll hold it up so I can see it. Smell that. Ew.
Mom, you do some ASMR with it.
ASMR. You're silly.
I don't know how to say it. No.
A&R. I don't know what it's
What
called.
ain't?
I don't know what A&R. Is that what you're talking about?
ASMR. I don't know what it's called.
Yeah. So was it worth it?
Yeah, it was worth
would
it
you
because
buy it
I love.
again?
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
slime.
There you have it. All right. Make sure you give this video a like.
Mm-hmm.
Thumbs up.
Make sure thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, guys.